How to add accessibility shortcuts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Scroll down to the General section and go to Accessibility Shortcut. Over here, go to the click the side button for section. This screen lists tools such as VoiceOver, Zoom, Magnifier, and AssistiveTouch. Tap on the features you want to include so a check appears next to each one. If you change your mind, tap on an item again to remove its check. Scroll through the list to review all available options and add as many as you need. Alternatively, go back and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. From the options, tap on the Accessibility Shortcuts icon. Here, select the shortcuts you want to add. Following these steps, you can easily add accessibility shortcuts on iPhone.